Hello, I'm Mike Pennacchi, owner of Network Protocol Specialists LLC. In this video, I'm going to talk about why I use the OptiView XG for validating network security. There are a number of factors that impact the security of a network. These include the use of default passwords, knowing which devices are on your network, ensuring only the necessary ports are open, firewalls are blocking unnecessary traffic, and knowing who is talking to whom. Let's start with passwords. Many of our network infrastructure devices come with SNMP enabled. By default, they're using the public and private community strings. If we don't change those strings when the devices are installed, hackers can use SNMP to collect valuable information about the configuration of our network. With the OptiView XG, we can quickly scan the network for those devices using these default strings. Once identified, we can change the strings and rescan to validate we got all the devices. Speaking of discovery, another important aspect of good network security is knowing which devices are connected to your network. The discovery feature of the OptiView XG allows us to scan the network, discover which devices are connected, where they're connected, and save this to a CSV file. This file can be used at a later date to determine if devices have been moved or if new devices have appeared on the network. When it comes to device security, knowing which TCP ports are open is key to making sure a device is not open to attacks. Using the OptiView XG's port scan tool, we can quickly scan a device to determine which ports are open. This can be compared with the ports that should be open to determine if the device has been infected or is open to attack. In addition to scanning for open ports on a device, the OptiView XG can be used to perform regression testing on firewalls. The active test feature allows us to create a test to validate the proper ports are open on the firewall. This test can be run before and after changes are made to the firewall and a report generated showing that either the changes had the desired effect or they did not. If they did not, the appropriate action can be taken and the test rerun. Lastly, from a security standpoint, it is important we know who is talking to whom. The network analysis toolset on the OptiView XG allows us to create graphs and conversation matrices of the traffic traversing a network link. This is useful in monitoring traffic going to and from the internet. By reviewing the conversations, we can quickly determine if conversations are taking place that would indicate a security breach. Network security is something that should be taken seriously. To do it right, we need a serious tool. The OptiView XG provides those tools necessary to perform network discovery, port testing, and conversation monitoring in an integrated portable platform. These are some of the reasons I use the OptiView XG for network security testing.
To learn more about how the OptiView XG can help you troubleshoot your network problems, please visit www.enterprise.netscout.com/OptiView.